Rohrer Group, specialists in industrial scaffolding. Together with the global market leader Laya, the Rohrer Group takes scaffolding into the digital era. The Laya Sim mobile digitalization tool optimizes planning security and ensures efficient and cost-saving planning of projects. Laya's software and the included component library allow to develop a 3D model of the basic construction quickly and efficiently, so that possible problems will be recognized early on. This approach facilitates logistics, optimizes material consumption, allows efficient time and schedule management, and ensures marked improvement of quality. On this basis, the experienced specialists and skilled personnel of Rohrer guarantee standard-compliant and professional construction. Thus, the Rohrer Group is well positioned for the digital future and competent to master the challenges of the industry in step with the times.